Charity 7. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6006, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that a Muslim can gain the same reward as the one who fasts every day and offers the voluntary prayer all night if they financially support a widow or a poor person. In this busy modern world, Muslims often struggle to make time to perform voluntary righteous deeds, such as voluntary fasts or the voluntary night prayer. Islam, as always, gives everyone, irrespective of their lifestyle, a convenient way to receive reward from Allah, the Exalted. In this case, a Muslim can financially support a widow or poor person in order to obtain this great reward. It is even easier in this day and age to sponsor the needy, as one does not need to journey to them in order to aid them. One can use reputable and trustworthy charities in order to donate regularly. And a Muslim must not be fooled and deterred from donating by believing their money will not reach the needy, as Allah, the Exalted, will reward them according to their intention, irrespective of if the money reaches the poor or not. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. A Muslim's duty is to donate through a reputable and trustworthy charity with the correct intention, namely, to please Allah, the Exalted. Sponsoring the needy is not expensive, as most people spend more money on their monthly phone bill and other unnecessary luxury things. The sad truth is that if each financially able Muslim sponsored a needy person, it would dramatically decrease poverty in the world. Finally, the one who cannot afford to do this should encourage the one who can afford it, and as a result, they will receive the reward of donating the charity. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2674. This therefore leaves no reason why all Muslims should miss out on obtaining this easy reward.